Space, the final frontier, it calls to us, beckoning us to explore its vast expanse. But this journey is not one for humans alone. We venture into the cosmos with partners, our robotic companions. Together, we will unravel the mysteries of the universe. For centuries we gazed at the stars, we dreamed of reaching them. Now with robots by our side, that dream is becoming reality. They are our eyes, our hands, our explorers in the most extreme environments. Robots play a crucial role in our space adventures. They are resilient, unaffected by the harsh conditions of space. They venture where humans cannot. They are our scouts, our builders, our scientists in the field. These tireless explorers gather data, they send it back to us on Earth. With this information, we learn, we grow, we push the boundaries of human knowledge. Robots are not just tools, they are our partners. None of this would be possible without incredible advancements in technology. We've developed powerful rockets. We've built sophisticated robots. We're constantly innovating, reaching further into the cosmos. These technologies are not just about reaching other planets. They're about understanding our place in the universe. They're about inspiring future generations to dream bigger, to reach further. The potential of space travel is limitless. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars. Imagine discovering life on a distant moon. These are not just dreams, they are possibilities within our grasp. As we explore the universe, we learn more about ourselves. We learn about the fragility of our own planet. We learn about the importance of collaboration, of pushing beyond our limits. The future of space exploration is bright. It is a future where humans and robots work together. It is a future filled with wonder, discovery, and endless possibility.